Company directors, as a general rule, are not directly liable for actions of the company. There are exceptions, though. One such exception that is recognized under Kenyan law is in the matter of taxes, such that if it is found that a company director was specifically involved in putting in place a scheme that would enable a company to evade paying taxes, in that instance, then the company director could be culpable. There are also instances where directors can be held directly responsible where they breach their duties. Now, directors under the Companies Act have got two principal duties. First, a duty of good faith, in other words, acting always in the best interests of the company. Secondly, a duty of care and skill. Where I'm saying care and skill, it is a matter of making sure that you, based on your qualifications, undertake the very best your very best work in exercising your role as a director. Now, the duty of care includes a duty of ensuring that whatever decisions are taken are in keeping with the company's constitutive documents. So a director would be well advised to be familiar with the general provisions of the articles, of the memorandum and articles of association, of a shareholder agreement. If such agreement has been put in place, a company director would be well advised to do that. Then in terms of good faith, to always ensure that where there is a conflict of interest, that director not only discloses but acts in a way that is consistent with the company's interest. For example, excusing themselves from deliberations where there might be a conflict of interest. Or in another instance, a director could also make a declaration, but also say that in this particular decision, let it be noted on record that I had this and this interest as far as it goes. So general rule, directors are not directly responsible, but there are exceptional instances where either the statutes, especially the ones on tax, provide it, or where it is a breach of fiduciary duties that are provided for in the Companies Act.